of the size given below and fold it as shown. Now take a card making sheet or origami sheet of two different colors of the dimensions given below. Now fold 1 cm on the 13 cm side. Repeat it for all the cards as shown. Now stick the sheets as shown. Take a Rakhi and tie it to the white sheet as shown and place it in the middle as shown. Now let's decorate the inner sheets. Here I have used stickers for decoration, but you can also use some pics or quotes for decoration. So this is how I have decorated each of the sheets. Now let's decorate the front part of the card. Here I have used kundan stickers for decoration. Now let's make 2 holes for the thread to pass through. Now insert the threads as shown and tie it. Our beautiful card is ready. Let's open it. Hope you all like my video. Please try
subscribe my YouTube channel.